Guys, let's see how to create multiple array of this object in Illustrator. So there are two different methods. First is to select this object. Now go to the selection tool. This selection tool is actually used for selecting this object, and now press over to the object, press Alt. After pressing Alt, you see a multiple cursor, which means you can duplicate this object, and just by selecting it, just move the object. So let's say we move it like 9.4. That's it. You duplicate it. Now press Command D and you can create multiple copies of this object, which is having the same interval as you selected between this and this object. So this is one method, and if you want to do it with equal spacing and more specific, what you have to do is go to Effects, Transform, and again transform. So now we would like to move the object in horizontal direction, let's say 10 mm. We'd like to have a preview, and let's create copies, 5 copies of this object. Now let's click OK. You see this 5 copies are created. That's it.